Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be designing this beautiful infographic together step by step and from scratch. It illustrates the relationship between lifestyle factors, like diet and physical activity, and chronic health conditions using dot plot style visuals. We'll be using Charticulator, a free and powerful tool to create clustered dot plots, and Canva, which offers a wide range of design elements, to craft the overall layout and information design. Alright, if you're ready, let's jump right in. We'll be using this sample dataset, which includes various lifestyle factors that could potentially contribute to chronic health conditions. The last column indicates whether the individual has a chronic disease, with a simple yes or no response. Let's start by creating the dot plot in Charticulator. First, import the dataset. Then, drag the dot shape into the glyph editor. You should now see the dots displayed on the canvas. To differentiate the dots, drag the Has Chronic Disease field to the Style section. You can now customize the colors as needed, and also add the legend to complete the visualization. Next, let's assign the physical activity level dimension to the x-axis. You can also experiment with other dimensions if you'd like. Then, assign the diet type to the y-axis. Rearrange the chart as needed to improve readability. And don't forget to change the dot presentation style to packing for a more organized visual layout. Now we have a beautiful clustered dot plot. Let's format the axes a bit. To do this, go to the Plot Segment panel. Under the Axes section, click on the dots next to each axis to access formatting options. From there, you can adjust the font style and size for both the X and Y axes as needed. One final formatting tweak is to set the symbol stroke color to white. This adds some visual breathing space between the dots. Now that our chart is complete, let's export it and move on to Canva to compose the full information design. Next, let's open Canva and start a new design. Then, upload the chart we just created in Charticulator. I've already uploaded it for this demo, so I'll drag it onto the canvas and arrange it as needed. To save time, I'll also bring in the title and legends I previously created while recording this demo. Next, let's decorate the chart by adding relevant images next to the y-axis diet type labels. To do this, go to the Elements tab in Canva and search for appropriate images, starting with something like Balanced Diet for the first label. Repeat the process for the remaining labels. To save time, I'll also bring in the images I created earlier during the demo. We can also customize the background of the infographic. First, remove the white background from the dot plot chart using Canva's background remover tool. Once that's done, you can change the background color, and if you'd like, apply a gradient fill for a more dynamic look. And there you have it. we've created a beautiful cluster dot plot infographic from a simple data set. I'll be sharing more information design tutorials like this regularly, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss a single one. Thanks for watching.